Kuya. Are you ready? Go fast. Yeah. What are you doing here, Han?
Good morning.
Good morning. Don't see that one. Good morning, guys. Alis sila, yung dalawang boys lang. Isasama sila ni Jan kasi magpi-film ako sa Chona's Kitchen and si Jan dadalhin sila sa barko. Sa barko. Hindi namin sinasabi na, lumabog. Hindi ko sinabi sa lingwahe nila kasi sinabi ni Jan kay Holly na pupunta sila sa school kahit hindi naman sila pupunta sa school para hindi siya magalit na yung boys lang yung kasama ng daddy niya. Yeah.
School.
At school.
And you're watching a movie at school.
Oh, they're gonna watch a movie at school? Yun ang sabi. Kasi, sabi ni Jan, wag sabihin kasi.
The boat.
Yeah, Daddy's going to the boat. Why? Daddy's gonna do at the boat, Holly?
He ran to fix the boat and take the string off.
Yeah. Kasi si Jan di ba, kahapon, inaayos niya yung pang-fishing niya kasi gusto nilang manghuli ng isda na blue eyes. So, yun ang gagawin nila sa boat. Ipe-prepare yung mga dadalhin doon. Saki boy? Kuya? Ito yung dog ni Kuya na ang baho nito nung bata pa siya kasi gustong-gusto ito ni Kuyang Isa. Ha? Habang hindi pa sila umaalis, nag-i-edit muna ako. Malapit na ito matapos. Are you going?
What are you doing?
I'm just editing.
What you come out there for?
Oh, I thought you're going.
No, it's fine for you to get up.
I am already up. I'm just editing. Ang baho ng kanyang kamay.
I did an octopus.
Kasi nilinis niya yung octopus sa beach. Right? You went to the beach? Yeah, doon siya naglinis ng octopus. Kasi isa yun sa mga bait. Yeah. Octopus. I wanna try octopus, Han.
Yeah.
Ha? Give me some.
No.
Just one. Why?
Because I made it for bait. I'll give you some, I've got no bait.
So, ayan. Tapusin ko muna to kasi malapit na to matapos. Alis na sila, guys.
Yeah.
See you, Kuya. Mwah. Listen to Daddy, ha? What's that, Zaki? Kinuha niya yung aking eto yung snack na kinakain ko pa nag-i-edit ako dito sa kwarto. Yung sesame seal.
Pringles.
Ha?
Pringles.
So, kuha sila ng snack. So, tapusin ko lang to and mag-aayos ako mamaya kasi mag-film ko ni Holly sa Chona's Kitchen. And may biscuit din ako doon, guys. What did you get? Let me see. Ayan yung baon nila. See you na. See you.
Mom.
Lumabas si Holly. Wait lang. Hoy! Dito ka pala. Dadalhin nila tong dinghy, guys. Nagpaalam ulit si Kuya. Sabi ko, akala ko kanina pa kayo umalis. Inano daw nila. Inasikaso to, oh. Ito yung mga dadalhin ni Jan sa... Bukas yata sila magpi-fishing. Nire-ready lang ni Jan. So, ito yung sabi ko sa inyo, yung electric na pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon. Ayang dalawa. Ayan yung mga tools. May kutsilyo. Yan yung bait. Is this the bait? Hey, hi? It's in the freezer. So, what's in this? Kung ano man daw may ikakatch nilang fish bukas. Holy girl! Wow! Yeah?
You have the PlayStation.
No PlayStation. Ilang araw na sila? Pangalawang araw na sila hindi nagpi-PlayStation. Okay, come on, Papa. Go. Yay! Chocolate, maybe? Come on, see ya. Be careful. Careful. See ya. Bye. Oh, you wanna see? Okay, come on. It's cold, Baba. Come on. Malamig yung hangin. Kung walang hangin, okay naman sana. Kasi may isa. See you, boys. Alam nyo, buti na lang. Yes, baby. Buti na lang. Hindi nagtaka si Holly na dala yung dinghy. Kasi diba ang sabi niya, pupunta sa school yung mga boys. What do you want?
I want Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops yung breakfast niya. Bigyan ko na siya. That's enough?
That's my... Thank you, Paul.
You're welcome. Okay, careful. I'll do it.
Okay.
Mushi niya, oh. Nakabante. Okay.
I don't want to eat it yet for the stove.
You wanna wait?
Yes.
To make
sit
it?
down here.
To make it what?
soft.
Oh, hintayin niyo muna mag-soft siyang konti kasi matigas ang Fruit Loops. Okay, Bab. Nasaan naman yung ipit mo? Nandito yung ipit mo, oh. Sabi ko sa kanya, kahit hindi siya magtali, mag-ipit man lang. Okay, now you can see your Fruit Loops. Nakaligo na kami ni Holly. And si Holly, alam niyo ba, ayaw niya na ako ang mag-brush ng buhok niya. Andito siya sa bathroom. Tingnan niyo siya, ha? Wait. Hi, Holly.
Hi, Holly.
Let me see. Nakapag-lotion na siya. Ito yung gamit niyang lotion. Ito.
I'm going to.
Ayan, ready na ako mag-film sa isa kong channel sa Chona's Kitchen. Guys, kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow doon or naka-subscribe, please subscribe. Thank you. And hindi ko na blinower yung aking buhok. Tinali ko na lang siya kahit basa. Naglagay ako ng headband kasi yung buhok ko maraming tumatayo. Yung baby hair ba? So, asikasuhin ko muna yung aking lulutuin. Ang lulutuin ko pala sa Chona's Kitchen is, eto, nakababad pa yung kasi matigas pa siya. Adobo sa asin. So, balikan ko kayo mamaya. Magpe-prepare lang ako dito. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, asikasuhin ko yung gagawin ko sa Chona's Kitchen. Pero tingnan nyo yung isa. Hinilera niya na, kinuha niya na yung butter, Nutella, tsaka eto. Kasi gusto niya magtinapay. Nag-Fruit Loops na siya. Naubos niya yung Fruit Loops niya.
I finished it all.
I know. Ito, oh, ubos. Ikaw na talaga ang growing girl. Ubos kalabasa. Okay, bigyan ko muna siya tinapay. Ito na yung kanyang snack. And ibabalik niya na yung mga kinuha niya. Thank you, Baba. And ako, tapusin ko na yung ginagawa ko. Ayan siya. Kinuha mo, ibalik mo. Unahin niya yan. Okay. Ako naman. Tapusin ko na to. Hiwain ko na to. Tapos na siya, guys. Naubos niya na. Whose apple is this? Hindi na naman inubos. And ako, ayan, hindi ko lahat binalatan yung.
That's my apple.
Okay. Huh?
Where's Holly?
Where's Holly? You have to find her.
Where is she?
I don't know. Find her.
Where's Dinosaur?
Ah, kasi inalis niya na yung shirt niya. Okay. Hey, Sugar! You have to find Holly, honey.
Where is Holly? Dad has to find me.
Quiet. Where's Daddy? Lumipat na naman siya dun. Ano, hindi niya na alam mo sa'yo.
Mom, look! No!
It's alright. Ayan si Daddy, ayan si Daddy. Tingnan mo si Old nasa ano ko. Where's Holly? Find Holly!
Oh.
Mom, she's gonna be wet!
Well, have a shower. Hindi niya makita si Holly. Ayan si Holly.
Hey!
Hey! Hey! He's thirsty!
Do not! Get away from there, quick.
Alis na, Baba.
Oh, we cook them.
Hindi pa luto yung aking adobo sa asin. Magluluto muna ako ng kanin. Ito na yung pang-4 na kilo, guys. Di ba 5 yung binili ko? Ubus na yung dati. So, ito na yung pang-4 na bukas. Magluto na tayo ng kanin. Kasi masarap yung ating adobo sa asin kung may handa na tayong kanin. Luto muna ako ng kanin. Parang kalahati nito. Kalahating kilo kasi 1 kilo lang naman to. Wait. Eto na, tapos na yung aking. I know, wait. Kasi sabi ko, pinalamig ko muna. Eto na yung niluto ko dun sa Chona's Kitchen. Ang ingay ng partner ko. Iko-close namin yung,
Let's see.
ano yung, Wait, don't nga. Hindi pa kayo tapos mag-film dun sa Chona's Kitchen kasi pinalamig ko muna to. So ngayon, ayun, nakaset up na yung tripod ko dun. Wait, Baba, naiit. Wait, oh, stand up here. Come on.
Hey, Paul.
Itong partner ko eh.
Why?
Ano, wow. And eto na yung kanin. Luto na yung kanin ko, guys. Yeah, wait. Wait, okay? Wait. I know. Wait. Ayos ko yung tripod. Tingnan niyo siya.
It's my door.
I know.
Bye-bye.
No, wait. Come
I
on.
wanna eat.
Oh, yeah.
I wanna eat.
Wait.
I'm touching lips.
Okay? Oh, diba? Tinanggal niya na.
Can I take this off?
Oh, later, Baba. Eat first. Oh, try this one. Yeah, you're gonna eat. Wait. Dito na yung mga titikim. Sisa kanina pa
Where's
yan.
my bowl?
Here, Baba.
Thank you. I love my bowl.
Okay, you do Zachary.
My bowl. My bowl. My
Wait, Baba.
bowl. Why do I have tiny bowls?
Why you want the regular plate? Or you're alright with this?
Oh, more rice. I want the more rice.
More rice for you? What's that? From where?
Well,
Oh, we need to wash it.
yeah, it's good because you can just lay them in a cool area.
May dala si Jan
And
na
then you wash them when you get them. You don't wash them till you
yeah.
get them.
May dala si Jan na potatoes. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Pakainin ko muna itong mga... Yes.
The crunchy.
Crunchy.
All the crunchy. That one, there's a crunchy. And there's a crunchy. Mom, I want more.
Hello.
Hi.
Where were you? Where's your hand? Where were you? Were you at the beach again?
No.
Good. More.
You know not this one.
Oh, I want a crunchy. Huh? Crunchy? Okay.
You want crunchy? Yeah, you can start now, Kuya.
Thank you.
How about you, Seth?
I want crunchy, please.
Crunchy. I know, Kuya.
That's enough, Mom.
Okay.
Thank you.
Try hand.
What are you making?
They're my food. They're my food.
Here, Daddy. Here, Daddy.
Smells good, doesn't it, Sam?
What you gonna have for tea, Ham?
I bet nothing. Okay.
There you go, Bobby. You got it, Donald.
Where do you get the potatoes from?
Ross.
Oh, Bryce. Is that from there?
No, I got them out the man and had a big stack of Nestor and throw some in there.
Dad.
Oh, yeah, ground, huh?
Do you want ketchup, Kuya?
I'll catch up. This one. Mom, next time can you buy more when that's finished?
Yeah.
The interview stops.
Hey, Baba.
I had to tell Dad something. What's done with that?
Okay.
Wise.
Welcome.
Are we gonna do Filipino stores when that buy that when it's finished?
Not sure. I don't know when we're going to Filipino store. We still have more here. See, some more.
No, when that's finished.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This bit.
Baba, you still have more there, Baba.
Mom, this one's a flat bit.
So, nagmukbang na sila dito, guys.
Oopsie.
What's that again, Holly? Adobe.
Adobe is that.
No. Adobo sa?
Mom, look,
Yeah, adobo sa?
Adobo is sang.
Adobo sa asin.
Adobo asin.
Adobo sa asin.
Adobo asin. And can you watch my mommy's vlog? Bye.
Nagbabay.
Yung may bangkos. What is this? I want guys.
Sobrang sarap nito, guys. What's wrong, kuya? The fat. Si kuya na lang siya si Holly ang natitira. Di ba nakita nyo, nagmumukbang na sila. And ipakita ko sa inyo yung potatoes na nakuha ni Jan. Galing sa kaibigan niya. So sabi niya, wag ko raw tong huhugasan hanggat hindi ko pa ginagamit. Kasi diba, nagkakaubusan dito guys ng pagkain. Pati potatoes. Kaya, kunti lang yung potatoes namin. Kaya, tinitipid ko si Jan. Kaya lagi siyang nakatinapay. Kasi eto na lang yung potatoes. Diba, pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon. So, eto, may dala si Jan na isang bag. But, kailangan mo siyang hugasan. Kasi ang dumi niya pa. Parang,
Mom, do you know that out of the ground?
yeah, under the ground. And yeah, so sabi ni Jan, hugasan ko lang to pag kailangan ko na. Para long life daw pag ganyan. Oh. So, meron na kaming potatoes. Ha? You want more?
I want to pick one.
Si Holly, tingnan nyo na yung tira ng adobo. Si Holly, na?
I really like it.
You really like it, Papa?
Yeah,
Oh, good job.
that's a fat one.
You have to learn how to cook. So you know how to cook this.
Totally.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna do my challenge.
Channel. You're gonna have your own channel.
Yeah.
What
By myself.
by yourself? What you gonna call that?
All things holy.
All Things Holly. Oh guys, nagpo-promote na siya. Pag nagkaroon daw siya ng YouTube channel.
Put towel
What's that?
in the table.
What's that?
Can I put your towel in the table?
Here? I'm gonna...
to do a channel now.
Ah, guys, inuutusan niya ako. Ilagay ko raw kayo dito. Okay. So, magpa-practice ka na. What you gonna call to your
Hey,
channel?
I need my vlog.
That's your vlog now.
Yes.
So, what you gonna call to your channel?
Hi guys, welcome to All Things Holy. I gonna cook.
Instant ang kanyang channel. So, ChonaAndMyKids, All Things Holy.
See guys, I gonna cook some more.
What do you call that one?
Some more.
What do you call with that food? Ano yan?
Adobo is that.
That's not isda. Adobo sa...
Okay, time to be quiet.
What do you call that?
Adobo is adobo asin.
You have to look when you...
Adobo asin. And you have to be quiet when my cooking.
First, what you gonna do?
Time to eat. And you have to be rated, but you can't rate it. You have to be careful if you don't be rated. If you dies, you don't rate this. If you buy a new one, but you can't just buy a new one because
Did you wash it in there?
and I am finished. See, look. Now let's eat it.
He's on your side.
But Dad, you should put the line.
Oh, we got a little bit.
Yeah, and then that one.
No?
No, put a line there, and when I turn to you, do that one. And you have to be careful and say, "Mwah, bye. And press it.
Good job, kuya. Ang dami niya na naman nakain. And si All Things Holy, ayan pa. Are you almost done? Are you done? Kinuha niya lang yung laman tsaka taba. Baba, you don't touch the couch, okay? Wash your hands, okay? Please, thank you. Dami na nilang energy. Nakakain na, ayan, oh.
What was it?
Yes. Wow. Ano, indoor football sila. Diba, ang kalat na naman. Sige. Careful, watch for Holly.
Get up, up.
Get up, Papa. Be tough. Be tough, Papa. No hurting, please.
Holly, here. Quick.
Go, Baba, go. Go, Daddy, go. Good job, Zaki. Just be careful on that edge, ha? The glass. Yes.
When I went like this to take that,
Who?
I fell off.
Who? Kuya TJ.
Yep.
Kuya.
Screen's up.
Dito muna sila sa loob. Kasi medyo malamig sa labas. Di ba mali sila kanina? Pero tingnan nyo, naka-shirt naman sila. Hoy! What? Sak, pick that one. Is that for your CD?
Come on, Zach.
Go pick it up. Baba, stop. Get up.
Zach, scream.
What's this? Not yet.
Ay, naku, ang couch. Hindi ko na linagay yung rug sa couch.
Mom, what's this?
Pero sabi ko sa kanila, maghuhugas sila ng kamay pa katapos silang kumain. What's that? Who? 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 Go.
You didn't sit up there.
I'm doing it again. Who's teacher?
Who? Who? Nahihiya siya. Who? Kuya TJ. Okay, go.
Teacher.
Who? Go, Kuya. Hoy. Good job, Kuya.
Sit up there on the knee and
Wait,
hold
no,
it.
hang on.
Naguhugas ako doon. Tinigil ko muna kasi nga. Eto. Oy, Kuya, be careful because you might... Ay. Yung ano ba, yung glass doon. Kuya, be careful. Zachary, ha? Ay, naku. That's enough? That's enough, honey? That's enough.
Zach, don't jump on your feet, hold it on the knee.
Okay, you have to fix the couch and you have to pick all the stuff on the floor.
Holly, pick the pillows up.
Yep,
off the floor. Pick them up, pick them up.
Ay, you're making a mess now.
Not yet.
Pick the pillows.
Holy.
Si Oli kasi. Si Oli talagang ano, salary. Ah. Pick the pillows, Oli. Put it back. 2
2 seconds.
seconds. Hurry up so you can play.
2 seconds.
Go.
We're late.
You're late. And Holly, yung ano mo, yung
We're late.
tali mo sa leeg.
Yep, Dad.
Please, pick it up. Tapusin ko na yung hinuhugasan ko dito. Naka-apron pa ako. Kain na rin ako kasi ano na, 5:30 na. And si Jan,
Where is he?
di ba kanina, naghihiwa ko ng pork. Sabi niya, ito raw ang kakainin niya ngayong dinner kasi 3 pa. So, hindi pwede ito tumagal. So, hanggang 2 days na lang to. Pwede pa to hanggang 2 days. Pero mas masarap tong kainin pag fresh. Di ba kahapon niya lang to binili. Ito yung Vegemite scrolls. So, ito yung dinner niya. Tapos, meron pa siya nito. Oh, hindi niya pa nakakain. Yes?
Dad might go fishing.
Oh, he might not.
Because the beach is all wrecked.
Huh?
All the sand is flattened down and there's some just hanging up.
Ah, it's low tide.
We try to make a hole and make
So, di ba kasi...
fence so
Okay.
the water doesn't go in.
Kung
The big
dadalda.
waves keep knocking it.
Alright. So, baka hindi mag-fishing bukas si Jan kasi di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo mag-fishing sana sila nung kaibigan niya para manghuli ng blue eye. So, baka hindi raw matuloy kasi yung dagat hindi maganda yung... Hindi ko rin alam, guys. Basta hindi na, baka pa lang, hindi pa naman natin So, kain muna ako. Bas na yung mga bata. And eto guys, ang sarap nito. Ito yung garlic. Sarap. And nanonood ako ng Korean drama habang kumakain. And ito yung iniinom ko, yung orange juice. And yung nakuha ko pala is pulp free. Yung dati, may pulp yun. Ngayon wala. Mas masarap yung isa, yung may pulp. Ito wala na eh. Ginabi na ako dito kakanood ng K-drama. Si Jan. Yan si Jan guys. Alicia, titingnan niya raw yung dagat kung...
Check the site.
Yeah, oo.
So if there's any fish tomorrow.
Kung makakapag-fish siya bukas, tingnan niya muna yung dagat. Kung okay ba, kung malaki ang alon or ano. Si Sak, tumitingnan naman siya kung anong makakain doon. Oh. Which one? Cheetos. Yan, kinain namin yung kagabi. Okay, sit on the floor. Okay, sharing, okay. Not on the couch. Okay. Balik na naman sila sa aking adobo. Malapit na akong matapos maglinis dito, guys. Binabalik-balikan lang nila tong adobong to. Ayan na lang yung tira, oh. Nanonood pala kami ng Married at First Sight. And ayan sila, si Sak. Busy siya. What are you doing, Baba? You're going shopping? Don't spill that one, Baba. There's a little bit there. Don't drink. What are you doing? Commercial. And tingnan niyo sila, oh. Dito silang lahat sa kusina. Nagluluah. Yun. Kasi yung popcorn nasa microwave. And ayan, ready na si Sa. Dito nilalagay yung popcorn. Parang may movie ah. What are you gonna watch after this?
James Bond.
Yung pinaka-old na mga movie. Kasi nga wala kaming wala na low-bat. Yung papanoorin nila ay yung James Bond. Kasi nga wala kaming Netflix.
Mom, watch this. He's gonna try to stop in 1 second.
Who?
Zach.
Zach?
Like I did last time.
Okay, go Zachy. One. Oh, wait for Daddy. I'll put it there, love. Ayan na. Kala nyo, pupunta sila ng cinema. Or kaya manunod ng Netflix. Netflix. We don't have Netflix. That's why you're watching old movies. Huh? Who?
You.
Oh, I said, but Daddy said no.
Dad, can we?
Kasi ayaw kasi ni John. Ako gusto ko. Kasi may PS4 na daw sila. Okay na yun. Okay, don't spill it.
I know where the remotes.
Yeah, but you're not allowed.
Dad said he's gonna get it.
No, he's not. Kasi yung remote ng kanilang PS4 ay nasa akin. 2 days na sila hindi naglalaro. I'm not hiding it.
Don't hide it anywhere else.
Why? I'm gonna hide it. Nakita na ni Sa kung nasaan. Can I have some, please? Hindi pa tapos yung Married at First Sight. After nito, manunod na sila. Si John.
You have popcorn.
We have popcorn. Si John, mayroon chocolate. Yung crunch. Oh, yan. Popcorn, guys. Tapos na yung Married at First Sight. Tingnan nyo na sila. Oh, ang gugulo na naman. Hinihintay nila yung kanilang movie. What movie is that, Zach?
James Bond next door.
Ano?
James Bond.
James Bond.
Here,
Oh, careful. Oh, eto na yung movie nila. Where's your popcorn? Ubus na? Ha? You finish it all? Ayan yung kanilang pinapanood, guys. Old movie ni James Bond. Ayan, oh. Ayan siya. Is that him, Han?
no.
Ah. Ayan. Manunod na sila, oh. Okay na sila. Hindi na sila magulo. Focus na sila sa movie nila. Ito po ang aming ginagawa every night. Manood ng movie ni James Bond. How many days? We've been...
very late.
3 weeks guys daw to, hanggang 3 weeks. So, matagal na. How many weeks now, Han? It's been like?
Sorry.
Yeah, 2 weeks na. 2 weeks. 2 weeks na pinapanood tong James Bond. Iba-ibang James Bond yung mga napapanood namin kasi 'di ba ang dami nila. So, pero lahat to James Bond movies. O, 'di ba? Yeah, baby.
May,
Yeah.
I'm not a baby.
You're not a baby?
I'm holy.
Oh, you're holy. Guys,
Good night, guys. Bye.
close na namin yung vlog. Today is March 30, right? Hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko yan, but today is March 31. 31 pala, guys. So, yun na yung vlog natin for today, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night, guys. Be safe. Thank you.